want to start swapping or farming tokens on the Solana blockchain, the first step is connecting your Phantom wallet to Raydium. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to exactly do it step by step so you can start trading safely in DeFi. Okay, the first step to connecting your Phantom wallet to Raydium is having a Phantom wallet. So I believe you already have your Phantom wallet installed, and if you don't have that one, then you'll need to go back behind from where I'm starting by downloading your Phantom wallet and setting it up. You can easily access Phantom from Play Store or App Store. So already have mine. Let's just log in and see now how we can easily connect Phantom to Raydium. So I'm in here into my Phantom wallet, and on the bottom part is now where we'll be able to access Raydium. At the bottom, the fourth one, the last icon, which is like a search bar, here is now where we can now easily go and look for Raydium. Then on the top part we have sites, tokens, and the URL. So in order to access Raydium, just click there and then now search for Raydium. A quick interruption for the video. We all know that crypto is a fast-paced world, and you need somewhere to get this information as fast as they happen on the blockchain. To do that, just join the GekoodHub email newsletter, and I'll be dropping this alpha into your email inbox to update you on the hot narratives and what's trending on the crypto market. The link to subscribe to the GekoodHub email newsletter is in the description below. So you can already see it being brought to us by the Phantom wallet. So it's the first one, which is Raydium DeFi. So here you already have Raydium.io open. Just click to open, and voila, now we are here on the Raydium.io site, which is the decentralized exchange on the Solana blockchain. It's already connected automatically. Now I can start swapping some tokens here. So by just logging into the Raydium website using your Phantom wallet, it will automatically detect your wallet. And now when I click here, I can see my wallet connected here. So this is my wallet, and if you want to disconnect, then you have here the disconnect part. So that's how you can easily connect your Phantom wallet into Raydium, by just going to Raydium.io. But when you just go and search it there, Phantom already brings it because it's integrated into the Phantom wallet. Don't go to Google to look for Raydium because there's some scam websites. So if you log into the scam website, you can easily get your funds being withdrawn or drained from your wallet.